Yeah, I thought I'd catch a little bit of a snowstorm out here this morning. It's actually kind of slacked off. Birds are hitting the feeder pretty heavy. We're pretty much all snowed in. Nobody's going anywhere. My old compost barrels, they got a little bit of snow on top of them. I just love the way the snow's laying on the hemlock. Oh, we're going to get Oreo out here and play with her in a little bit, so I'll take some video of that effort.
Look, Or. Come here, dear. Come on. Look how deep the snow is. Oreo, come here. Come here, look at Daddy.
Oreo! Hey!
Or, look at Daddy. Turn around, look at Daddy.
Oreo!
Look. Come here.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Oh, look at him.
Oreo! My little tripod keeps getting caught in the snow when I try to move.
Yeah. Oreo, come here. Oreo. Hey. Or. Come here, dear.
She's looking for bunnies in the bush.
Oreo. Look how tall that snow is sitting on top of that fence.
I know.
That's pretty.
Oreo.
I'll go get you, girl. Or,
Well, you know what she wants.
nah, she's not gonna get it. She's too much fun out here, roasting without a leash on. That way I can throw snowballs at her.